In this video, we're going to show you how to copy hatch properties from one object to another in AutoCAD. Hatches are widely used in AutoCAD to represent materials, section cuts, surfaces, and other important design elements. When multiple hatch objects are used throughout a drawing, maintaining a consistent appearance becomes very important. However, manually adjusting the pattern, scale, angle, and other settings for every hatch can be time-consuming and may lead to inconsistencies. Even small differences between hatches can make a drawing look less professional. Fortunately, AutoCAD provides a simple way to copy hatch properties from one object to another. This allows you to quickly match hatch settings and maintain consistency throughout your project. Using this method can save time, improve drawing quality, and reduce the need for repetitive editing. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to transfer hatch properties quickly and efficiently using a built-in AutoCAD tool. So let's get started. The first method is to use the Match Properties tool. Select the Match Properties tool from the toolbar. Next, click on the hatch that already has the appearance you want to use. This will be your source hatch. Then, click on the hatch that you want to update. AutoCAD will automatically copy the hatch properties from the source object to the destination object. This can include settings such as the hatch pattern, scale, angle, and other related properties. If you need to update several hatch objects, continue selecting additional hatches after choosing the source hatch. This allows you to standardize multiple hatches very quickly. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, activate the Match Properties tool. Second, select the hatch that contains the properties you want to copy. And third, select one or more destination hatches to apply the same settings. Remember that maintaining consistent hatch properties helps improve drawing readability and creates a more professional appearance. Using the Match Properties tool can save a significant amount of time compared to manually editing each hatch individually. It's also a useful tool for matching properties between many other object types, making it a valuable feature for everyday drafting tasks. Taking advantage of property matching tools can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and help keep your drawings organized. This is a simple technique, but it's one that many experienced AutoCAD users rely on to speed up their workflow. And that's how to copy hatch properties from one object to another in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.